Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts. And like always, we are starting with the XBT-USD chart with the funding indicator. Over here at this top, we saw funding getting extremely high, and I called for a correction over here already a little bit earlier. And we got it. We got it exactly over here. Right now, as you can see, funding and premiums came down all the way. We can see the predicted fundings and premiums over here. I usually look at Bybit and Bitmex, and they're completely flat. All of them are completely flat, and OKX is even negative. So also we're making this wedge, and this will maybe tap the downside again. That would be 18.9k bottom, and making a higher high over here. That's $19,070, and we will go for the triple top. And as you guys, if you've seen my videos before, triple tops do not exist. I don't believe in triple tops. Nobody does. It's non-existent. We will moon higher. That is because we're just consolidating. We have a lot of fuel to the upside. People are shorting this. I don't know why. Yeah, if this breaks up, there are a lot of stops to run. Over here, I see, like you guys see, a lot of asks are over here, but also a lot of stop buys are over there, and a lot of short stops. So once we break 20k, we will shoot to 25k in a couple days, I think, or a day. That will go really fast. Someone asked me, one of my favorite viewers, AD, asked me to take a look at the CME futures chart. And why did he ask that? Well, probably because there are some CME gaps, and gaps all the time get filled. Over here we had a gap. As you can see, by the way, little explanation, CME is closed during the weekend. So if things happen in the weekend, people always assume the gap will get closed. Like over here we had a weekend gap, and a few days later they close it. They close the gap, they fill it. We still have some gaps at the moment. We have a little gap over here, right below 10k. Do we have any other gaps? This one got filled. We have a gap over here, I believe. This is a valuable gap. So a lot of people are thinking, well, the gap should be closed and stuff like that. So that's maybe why certain people want to short it. Over here you can see as well, gap, and just a few days later they close it with a little wick. So that is why people over here as well, so that's why people look at CME charts and short based on a CME chart, for example. So that is that. Bitcoin extremely bullish. We just looked at this chart. Doesn't need any more explanation. Tap to 18.9k, very possible. Maybe a little wick to the downside to shake people out, and then we're going to the all-time highs, going for the third touch of, let's say, 20k, and next time it will break. Taking a look at Ethereum USD. Ethereum USD looking very good. A break of this trend line over here will bring us to $800 really quick. Take a look at the hourly. It's kind of the same as Bitcoin, really. We can draw this line. Can we draw it like this or this one? I mean, we're making the same kind of wedge at the moment, in my opinion. It's a little bit more messy on Ethereum, but something like this will break to the upside pretty soon and go to new highs. Yeah, same for Ethereum as for Bitcoin. Ethereum BTC, I was drawing this yellow line a few days ago. We're on the daily and it doesn't look like it will go somewhere. I mean, we made a low over here. We are consolidating Ethereum BTC as well. Something like, sorry guys, something like this in the making as well. Will break out soon as well. Going for the yearly highs, I think. If BTC breaks up, Ethereum BTC might see a little dip. While that is happening, that's completely normal behavior for Ethereum. Once Bitcoin consolidates, Sorry guys, excuse me. Ethereum will go up again. Take a look at Link. Link is in a channel to the upside right now, touched resistance over here, and I expect Link to be very predictable over here, doing stuff like this and breaking up over there. That is what I'm expecting for a Link. Looking very good. We can extend this line a little bit more. And like I said before, if you trade with some leverage like I do, make sure you use one of these links because you get discounts on trading fees. That is about it. And again, this line, it's all about this one, guys. This wedge over here, it's tightening, and it will probably break to the upside. Why? Because we have low premiums or discounts, maybe even. Funding is very low, as we can see over here. This is nearly flat, neutral. Meaning we're in a bull market with a lot of fuel to the upside. I'm expecting the CME gap will be a meme for now. It can take months before it closes, so I'm not paying attention to the CME gap, but I understand AD's question. And a lot of people feel short CME gaps or trade the way the gap is, and that is very understandable because history has shown like almost every gap gets filled, and most of them pretty soon. But now I think we will leave this one just like we left the one at this one over here at just below 10k. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to let me know what you think of the video. And if you miss anything, please let me know. See you guys again tomorrow.